Welcome to our YouTube animation tutorial on encapsulation in Java. In this video, we'll delve into the concept of encapsulation, understand access modifiers, and learn how to use getters and setters effectively in your Java programs. Before we begin, let's understand what encapsulation is all about. Encapsulation is one of the four fundamental OOP concepts, along with inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. It refers to the bundling of data with the methods that operate on that data, or simply, it's the mechanism that binds together the code and the data it manipulates. Let's dive into some code examples to illustrate encapsulation in action. Java public class person, private string name, private int age, / getter for name public string get name, return name, / setter for name public void set name string name. This name equals name, / getter for age public int get age, return age, / setter for age public void set age int age. This age equals age. In this example, we have a class named person. Notice the use of private access modifiers for the member variables name and age. This ensures that these variables can only be accessed within the class itself. Now, why do we use private access modifiers? It's because encapsulation promotes data hiding, preventing direct access to the fields from outside the class. Instead, we provide public methods, known as getters and setters, to access and modify these private fields. Let's see how we can use getters and setters to access and modify the private fields. Java public class main, public static void main string, args, person equals new person, set name John, person, set age 30, system, out, println name, plus person, get name, system, out, println age, plus person, get age. In this example, we create an instance of the person class and use setters to set the name and age. Then, we use getters to retrieve and print the values of these fields. Getters and setters provide a level of abstraction, allowing us to control how the fields are accessed and modified. This enables us to enforce validation rules, perform logging, or trigger other actions whenever a field is accessed or modified. And there you have it, encapsulation in Java using access modifiers, getters, and setters. By encapsulating your data and providing controlled access to it, you can write more robust and maintainable code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!